Alright guys, here with Joe from Triano Farms.
What's up, guys?
We are building a chicken coop today. This gentleman is the engineer and my buddy. He drives a Ford, so don't rag on him too hard.
Stop that.
But it's gonna be a fun build today. This is probably just gonna be one video for y'all, so I hope you guys enjoy. You know, just hang out, ask questions, and if you want a coop too, we're gonna start doing East Coast, right?
We're gonna do the whole East Coast.
East Coast.
Eventually go nationwide.
Nationwide is on your side. But anyway, guys, hit us up if you want a big ass chicken coop like this. Let's get into the build. Getting that foundation set.
So I still gotta put the I gotta nail everything in. We gotta put the predator skirt down.
I get you.
Oh, Jesus.
We're gonna not even need another piece here. Look at that beauty.
I had to grind a notch in this. In the head of it.
What?
Because it was slipping off. I couldn't center quickly. It was taking me so much.
Oh, you grind your notch into that. Oh yeah.
So what's good about this is that it's thick, so it actually forms.
Yeah. No, honestly, I saw Dustin Road.
Yeah, you gotta be, so you gotta be like straight with that thing.
Yeah, I see it. Because you grinded it at an angle, man. You angle grinded it, literally. Quite literally angle grinded. Oh, son of a gun.
I know.
Now we're working with meat and potatoes. No, meat and potatoes. Johnny, you found stapler? Do you love it?
Yeah.
Like the best, right?
So much better. Better.
Better. Only 6 months in the making. Ah, we're out of staples. I need more staples.
I broke them in half too.
Oh, dude. Guys, Joe breaks these staples in half so they fit in his Milwaukee box. Oh my God! And then you gotta put.
Craftsman.
Oh, look! So he's still red. It's still red. You know what I'm gonna tell Joe though? 1-inch staples go with 1.5. More pull.
They're 3/4 fucking asshole.
Yeah. Even more reason to go 1.5. I go 1.5 on the beehives.
Do you?
Yeah.
I'll blow right through doors with that.
It's so funny. Jackie's gonna love watching this video. I already know.
The commentary?
Well, just like every little bit, because she doesn't see me like working with you.
Oh, right.
She just hears stories of it.
That's true.
Maybe she'll see some photos and stuff, and she sees all your stories.
Okay.
pack of coyotes, guys. Oh, it sounds like it.
Yeah.
100%. I hear coyotes every night in my house.
No.
You don't think so? That was a lot of dogs. Just be a couple of people's dogs.
I don't hear anybody screaming.
Yeah, because they're on the other side of the fence. Probably barking at them. Unless it's a bear walking through. And those are just people's dogs freaking out at it. That scream?
It sounds like a coyote.
Sounds like coyote.
My thing is that I don't hear anybody
Getting hit?
yelling like, get the fuck over here, like, to the other dog.
Yeah.
Because I would be outside like, get the fuck back
I don't care. I go out there and like they're not doing anything. You got fence, they're not doing anything. If you have a dog on one side and they have a couple of dogs, they ain't doing nothing. Fun stuff in the country building coops, guys. Yeah, I've seen this one guy. Literally, he has it's like a $200 pound staple for his bees. And he's like, he goes, I wouldn't suggest doing it this way. He goes, but it's got this nice thing that you can pull back right here. And he goes, all 10 frames in like 2 seconds. No. Like 20 staples, dude. I'm like, bro. Predator skirts on. We're staged up. We got our wood for our joists and our roofing and all that good stuff. We got our trim stuff over there. Saw set up. We just need to run an electrical cord. We're good to go. Let's get this thing going.
Everybody.
No, we can't sing that.
Yeah.
We'll get flagged.
Yep. There you go. Watch your face.
Tap this a little bit more?
Up.
Beautiful. How you know it's gonna last forever is because it's Italian built.
It's Italian built, and we spare no expense on the nails.
That's it.
And you know it's gonna last forever.
You see Rome's still alive, right? Remember, guys, lift with your back, leave your legs and knees completely out of it.
I'm square on corner.
A little overhang here.
Yep, I'm gonna do it.
Oh, it's where your runners are.
Yep. Oops. Put all the shit in the way. Be careful. It screws behind you.
Not a hammer.
Everything's a hammer.
Nice.
29, right on the fucking money. You should guess that shit.
Beautiful.
That's a wall.
Yeah, baby. Just check this out first before you go ham. Send it.
2x4. It's like shooting blind.
Yeah.
I'm shooting into a fucking this thing anyway.
How's it fit? Like a finger in an ass.
That's right.
Lovely. 6 of them came out.
Ooh, bro.
Dude. Echo.
That rung. Yeah,
Echo.
that rung.
It's like why you don't shoot a gun in the house.
Yeah.
Same concept. Yep.
And
Okay. You're on top. You're going lower? Okay.
yeah, you don't have to hold it anymore.
Hi, Joe.
Hi.
Watch out, Joe. Don't get stung.
Give me your shit to do.
Ah. Did it get you? No. Mine, my bees got me in the freaking hand the other day. Beauty.
What's up?
One nail popped out. Right? I'm not kidding.
Oh.
There we go. Only took 1,000,000 tries, guys. Put it right in your Milwaukee box. Oh, I missed. Looks good. American Girl dolls installed already. Oh, Joe's getting his time lapse, baby. He's got all the Tic Tac followers.
Tic Tacs. Tic Tac good. Drops are burning.
Right.
Woo.
Oh, we got that.
Yeah.
Got it?
Yep. Push.
Beautiful.
I don't know. Every time I post a Coop build, it goes like over 10,000. It's fucking insane. That's TikTok. It's fucking different. I didn't realize they had chicken. Beautiful. Chicken. Beautiful.
Oh, baby. Flex me in the middle. You got it there, sailor? Right up.
Good.
Yep.
appreciate it. Oh yeah. That's probably gonna be.
And that would look cool as shit.
I think that would look fucking cool.
You just. Gotta get the floor in.
How about booty? Ah!
You alright?
I think. Are you?
Have another one, Smokey.
Thinking about it. I know you. I'm just making sure. Just trying to get it to match as best as possible.
Well, it's raining. That's just great. My camera's getting wet. I had to take the microphone out, so if you guys have heard the change in sound, do apologize for that. But we're moving and grooving, getting wet, because we're not scared. One more, or that's it? It rained out. All right, Joe, what stopped us?
I don't know, the fucking rain.
The fucking rain. It's just a little bit of a nor'easter. You know, the people up north know about it. You guys landlocked in the west, you don't really know about it. But we'll tell you, it's fucking wet. All right, we'll be back. Part 2. Maybe this will be a part 1. Maybe it'll just be one big thing. I don't know. You guys will know in just a second. So, see ya. Ooh, and we're back. So, it's still raining a little bit. We're going to work on hurricane straps as well as blocking on the interior. But Coop is looking good. It's supposed to stop raining around 10 o'clock. Start back up around 2. We'll figure it out. But let's get to it and finish this coop. Smile!
Hi!
Thanks for the footage, Joe.
What?
Thanks for the footage.
You got it, baby.
That's a good angle.
Yeah.
Saw your ass crack and everything. And remember, Joe, if it's not on the truck, we don't need it.
That's
A little nap, I could use it. Feeling the forearm,
Yeah, she'll get you.
especially when you work quick like me.
Exactly. go.
Go. Oh, you dropped my pieces of wood.
Ha ha!
Oh, that one came through. That one came through.
Shut up. Shut up!
How's it fit, Joe?
Like a glove. Okay. Hey, Mike.
Are you stuck?
Hey, Mike. Trying to jump the ledge.
Looks good.
Beautiful. Oh, oh. Yeah, right there.
How's that partition coming, bro?
Oh, she's coming in nice.
Gonna be able to put some feed in here, keep the ducks away from it. Separate little compartment. Upgrades. Love it. All right, well, came back the next day because we were able to beat the nor'easter. The nor'easter didn't beat us.
Yeah.
And what do you think? You like it? Came out good?
I love it. Are you
Yeah.
kidding me? Look at that fucking thing.
Yeah, it looks fucking great.
Right.
The customers love it, guys. Remember, guys, we're for hire. East of the Mississippi, give us a call. Hit us up in the comments, whatever it is. I think my email's somewhere on the description page. Also, go follow Joe at Triano Farms. He's on TikTok and also YouTube. Right? You're on YouTube?
Yes, sir.
All right.
Instagram, Facebook,
Yeah.
the
All
whole
the-
nine.
All the socials.
Yeah, give me a follow, guys.
Yeah, guys, go follow them up. And if you guys aren't subbed to the channel, make sure you guys hit the subscribe button. We're doing a 10K giveaway, quickly approaching that. So, look at that beautiful coop, man. You can't beat that. It's just gorgeous. I hope you all enjoyed the video today, guys. We're gonna see y'all soon, and this is gonna be an extracurricular video of the week. So, whatever YouTube suggests you guys there or there, make sure you guys watch that video too. We love you guys, and we'll see you on the next time.